So, you hear that? Yeah, it's raining currently. Right now, it's under a severe thunderstorm watch right now. Yeah, very rainy and stuff, windy, all that crap. Dang it! I wish you could see. Well, okay, well you can see. It's kind of like over there. It's raining pretty hard. It's pretty darn cold. Yeah, under severe thunderstorm watch. Looked up yesterday that we are under severe thunderstorm threat, I guess, and so there's even a possibility of tornadoes here in the northern part of Ohio. So right now, we have not gotten any warnings for. As right now, no tornadoes are happening so far, but we'll just see later on. So, yeah.